Hi everyone in UMC, I'm Gina, a grade 12 student. I do a lot of volunteering in our school, and I have experience being in the role of secretary. If I become the secretary of student council, I can not only help members but also let everyone knows what activity we are planning for UMC. Thank you for listening and don't forget to vote for me. Let's have a wonderful high school year.
Hi UMC student, I'm Eva Yan. I want to apply for secretary. A good secretary will record down all the meetings I make. I will record the contents completely and clearly. If you have willingness to know the information from student council discussion, I am the best person you're looking for. Thank you.
Hello UMC, my name is Horin Choi and I'm known as Philip. Today I'm also running for the secretary. As a person who knows how to organize and knows how to plan in good ways, I believe myself I can be very good at the position of secretary. If you vote for me, I won't let you down. So please vote for me as a secretary. Thank you.